guys, what's up? I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to my channel. So we have come to the fag end of this pandemic year 2020 and I'm just hoping and praying that the new year brings loads of love, luck, happiness and a mask-free year for all of us. So to wrap up this year, I thought why not do a video which has been actually a requested video by one of my very dear subscriber, Anuranjita. So a big shout out to you, Anuranjita, my dear girl. This video is dedicated to you. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So guys, for this video I have got someone very special who is going to actually do my makeup. Any guesses who that person is? It's none other than Anya Bindra.
Hi everybody.
Yes, so today Anya is going to do my makeup. So basically Anuranjita, she had requested for a video wherein she said that it should be a daughter does mommy's makeup challenge, right?
Yes.
So how excited are you, Anya, for this particular challenge?
Very excited for this video, and I longed to do your makeup on camera, and today is the day.
Okay, that's great. So finally we are filming this, so let's get started. Okay, but there is a small twist, Anya, which she also doesn't know, guys.
Oh no!
There's the twist.
Yes, there is a twist. Okay, now the twist is, of course we are doing the challenge, but challenge में अगर time limit ना हो तो मजा नहीं है.
I'll not talk to you.
I'm sorry baby, but yes, there will be a time limit. Initially I thought let's put it as 2 minutes.
It's not possible.
I know, she's definitely not a pro, but so 2 minutes is not possible.
I request for 5.
I'm sorry, it is going to be 3 minutes challenge. Okay, so do you accept it?
Yes.
Great. So once you're ready, please let me know because I have to set the timer.
Okay.
So are you ready?
Yes, let's do this.
Let's do it. So guys, let me just set the timer. Anya, are you ready?
Ready.
Cool. So let me just set the timer to 3 minutes. I know, I don't think so. Fingers crossed. I don't think whether she'll be able to do, but still hope for the best. So start. Let's turn this side. Break my makeup, that's all. Go.
Okay, the lipstick is pretty bad, but I'm very good at applying lipstick. Must tell you. My hands were all, and you spoiled.
Okay, so
What?
okay. So guys, what do you think? Let me just show it to them. Guys, this is my complete makeup look which Anya has done. I think she's done a pretty decent job. What do you guys think? Well, I can't expect a miracle, you know.
Yeah.
3 minutes mein, obviously it's not possible ki she's going to give me a major transformation, but still I think she has done a pretty decent and a good job. Thank you, babe. You have done a very good job. Thank you so much. So please do let us know as to how did you all like my makeup. Only two things I think is missing. One is
The highlighter?
yes, you're right. The highlighter is missing. Eyeshadow is missing.
I could have done all these things if she wouldn't have kept 3 minutes but 5.
Yeah, I know. I actually became very strict. I shouldn't have kept the time limit as 3 minutes. I should have kept it to 5 minutes. Maybe next time, जो भी challenge, you know, हम लोग करेंगे, I will keep that in mind. कि at least I'm going to give her 5 minutes. 3 minutes is too less a time. But still, thank you so much.
Will you
Thank
hire
you.
me again?
Of course, I'm going to hire her as a professional makeup.
All the best.
Thank you so much. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed watching our video, and if you all have enjoyed, then please do not forget to like,
Share, comment and subscribe to my mommy's channel, and do hit on the notification bell
because you would get notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you in my next one. Till then,
stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling.
yes, and a very happy new year in advance to all of you guys, and be very careful. If you want to party, do party, but maintain social distancing. Love you guys, and see you in the next year 2021. Adios. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.